everyone, and welcome. Are you frustrated because the pause updates option is grayed out on your Windows 11 PC? You want to control when updates happen, but Windows seems to have other ideas. Don't worry, you are not alone, and today we are going to fix this common issue together. We will explore several straightforward methods to regain control over your Windows updates. This problem often occurs due to specific system settings, like group policy configurations or registry entries, which can sometimes be altered without your direct knowledge, perhaps by an application or a previous system change, or even if your computer is managed by an organization. Let's dive into the solutions. First, we will look at the Group Policy Editor, which is primarily for Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. To open it, press the Windows key +R, type gpedit.msc, and hit Enter. Once it opens, navigate to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Windows Components, and finally, Windows Update. Inside Windows Update, look for a folder named Manage End User Experience. Here, you need to find two specific settings: Configure Automatic Updates and Remove Access to Pause Updates feature. Double-click on Configure Automatic Updates and set it to Not Configured or Disabled. Do the same for Remove Access to Pause Updates feature, ensuring it is also set to Not Configured or Disabled. Click Apply and then OK. After making these changes, it's a good idea to restart your computer for the changes to take full effect. If you are using Windows 11 Home, or if the Group Policy Editor method didn't work, we can try editing the registry. This method requires a bit more caution, so please follow the steps carefully. Press Windows key +R, type regedit, and hit Enter to open the Registry Editor. Navigate to HKUI_local_machine/software/policies/Microsoft/Windows/Windows Update. Look for a subkey named AU. If you find it, right-click on AU and delete it. Also, within the Windows Update key, look for any DWORD values like No Pause Updates or Disable Pause UX. If you see them, right-click and delete them as well. Another important path to check is HKUI_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows Update/UX/settings. Here, look for DWORDs named FlightSettings or Pause Update Start Time. If present and causing issues, consider deleting them. Always restart your computer after making registry changes. Another potential fix involves checking your Windows Update service. Search for Services in the Start menu and open it. Scroll down to find Windows Update. Right-click on it and select Restart. If it's not running, click Start. Sometimes, simply restarting the service can resolve minor glitches causing the option to be grayed out. Finally, if your computer is part of a work or school network, it might be managed by your organization's IT policies. In such cases, these settings are intentionally locked down, and you might need to contact your IT administrator for assistance, as you may not have the permissions to override these settings yourself. Running the built-in Windows Update Troubleshooter can also sometimes identify and fix underlying issues. Just search for Troubleshoot Settings in the Start menu and select Windows Update from the Troubleshooters list. We hope one of these solutions helps you regain control over your Windows 11 updates. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts, or if you have any questions, share it with anyone else who might be facing this issue, and consider supporting the channel by subscribing for more useful tech tips. See you next time.